Welcome to my channel in the tutorial playlist for DaVinci Resolve. My name is Roman and I will guide you through today's topic. When you open DaVinci Resolve, the first you need to create new timeline. So we go create new timeline. We can keep the name. We will use 2 tracks of the audio and 2 of the video. Uncheck this and pick up your format you would like to have it. Choose 4K, 30 frames, make the same on the monitor and the output will be the same. You can create and that's it. We have the timeline. We put inside the video. You have the video you want to edit, you edit just here, drag and drop. When we are here in the editing mode, you take the video, put it just here. Here we have the pictures, here we have the soundtrack. And we would like to make new soundtrack into the audio too. We need to go here on this Fairlight and it will open the studio. As first, we mute the channel 1, the audio 1, and on the channel 2, here on the mixer you see there is no input, so we will be not recording if there is nothing. We open it, we press input, and you see here will be your resources, your mics and everything you have. Definitely you need to have some kind of microphone. You can just click on it. This one goes to channel 2. After you make patch and that's it. We close this window and with the cursor we are on the beginning 00. We need to check the record button here on the channel 2. But first, please, if you are the Windows user, your speakers make off. And you can press here the record. It's very loud and my mic needs to go like 7.6. It's fine. That's it. So you set the level of your microphone. You can even play with that a little bit later, but I think it's for another video. And we would like to record those short 8 seconds with something new. Here you can find the control for the play and record. Here is the record button, yes. And simply we will just click on this button and we will record the new track in the channel 2. Perfect. We have recorded the new track. Remove the record option. We can also again plug in your speakers so you can hear it. And we go back to the editing window. You can see the audio is a little bit shorter, but it really doesn't matter. If it's shorter, it will be just without sound the last few seconds. Or you can cut it, edit it, make it something longer. It's really up to you. So first we will mute the channel 2 and we will play channel 1. Welcome to my channel in the tutorial playlist for DaVinci Resolve. My name. You know this video, you have seen it on the beginning of this. It is my intro, and if you would like to change for the second track, you just mute the first one, enable the second one, and let's go. We will just click on this button and we will record the new track in the channel 2. So we have the video, it's ready for the compilation. We can use it like it is just the demo now. And if you would like to export it, you press here, this rocket, deliver. It will open you the possibilities which you would like to choose. There are some options which you would like to maybe have it, or you can use the custom export video, audio. You just keep like it is. There is nothing special in the file. If you want to make some marks, you can. In the video I am using MP4 H264 native network optimization. We use 4K. If you would like to upscale, downscale, choose whatever format you wish. We will not use vertical resolution, we will use 29.9 frames because it is the frame rate of my video. Chapters we will make note. I found out the best quality, it is the best really. Encoding, auto, frame, balanced, advanced settings, subtitle settings, we don't have to go there unless you want to, it's not for this video. And you press add to render queue. You will see the job one is here already prepared for the rendering, and you render all. It will be very fast because it's very short, and as you see it's finished. We open the folder and it is just here. You can see when I play this video. We will just click on this button and we will record the new track in the channel 2. Now we have new video with soundtrack. It is so easy to put new track into the video like you have just seen. Thank you for watching the video. I believe it was useful for you and I will look forward to seeing you on my next content. Bye bye.